Hi Sam. Today we have an interesting word to learn.
Versicherung.
Hi Alex. What does
Versicherung.
mean?
Versicherung.
Translates to insurance in English. It's most commonly used to refer to a contract that provides financial protection against loss.
I see. Are there other meanings?
Yes, it can also mean assurance or guarantee in certain contexts. But be careful, because in English,
Insuranz.
can sometimes be confused with,
Assurance.
which is more about certainty than financial protection.
Got it. How do I use
Versicherung.
in a sentence?
Great question.
Versicherung.
Is a feminine noun, so we say,
Die Versicherung.
the plural form is,
Die Versicherungen.
So, if I wanted to say I have insurance, how would I say that in German?
you would say,
Ich habe eine Versicherung.
in the past tense, you would say,
Ich hatte eine Versicherung.
for the preteritum and imperfect, it's,
Ich habe eine Versicherung gehabt.
That sounds simple enough.
and for the imperative, you could say,
Hol die Versicherung.
if you want to tell someone to get the insurance.
Where does the word
Versicherung.
come from?
It originates from the Middle High German word,
Versichern.
which means to insure. It has roots in the Latin word,
Securus.
meaning safe or secure. It's fascinating how it evolved, isn't it?
Very interesting. I love learning about word origins.
Let's break down the word.
Versicherung.
It consists of the prefix,
Wer.
the root,
Sicher.
meaning safe, and the suffix, which indicates a noun.
Versichern.
Means to ensure safety, and
Versicherung.
is the act of ensuring that safety.
Exactly. You're catching on quickly.
Are there similar words to
Versicherung.
I should know?
Yes. For the prefix,
Wer.
consider,
Verstehen.
which means to understand, and
Verliehen.
meaning to lend. For the suffix, we have,
Bewegung.
meaning movement, and
Entwicklung.
meaning development.
And what about compound words?
Sure. Look at
Kfz-Versicherung.
which is car insurance. It combines
Kfz.
for motor vehicle and
Versicherung.
the head last rule applies here, making it feminine as well.
That's quite a few words. Can we practice using
Versicherung.
in real life situations?
Absolutely. Imagine you're at the insurance office. You might start with,
Ich möchte eine Versicherung abschließen.
meaning I would like to take out an insurance policy.
Ich möchte eine Versicherung abschließen.
Got it.
Another situation could be talking to a friend. You might say,
Hast du eine Krankenversicherung?
which means, do you have health insurance?
Hast du eine Krankenversicherung?
That's useful.
Lastly, if you're at the doctor and they ask about your insurance, you could say,
Ich habe eine private Versicherung.
meaning I have private insurance.
Ich habe eine private Versicherung.
This is fun.
Now, let's talk about gender memory hints. Since
Versicherung.
ends in, it's feminine. You can remember this by picturing a woman holding a shield for protection.
That's a vivid image.
Good to hear. As for typical phrases you might encounter,
Die Haftpflichtversicherung.
for liability insurance or
Die Lebensversicherung.
for life insurance.
Are there any commonly confused similar words?
Yes, watch out for
Versicherung.
and,
Versicherungsschein.
which means insurance certificate. They sound similar but refer to different things.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. For instance,
Ich habe meine Versicherung gewechselt.
means I changed my insurance.
Okay.
Another example is,
Die Versicherung hat alles bezahlt.
which means the insurance paid for everything.
Got it.
And you might say,
Hast du die Versicherung gelesen?
meaning, did you read the insurance policy?
That's helpful.
One more.
Ich brauche eine Versicherung für mein Auto.
Which means I need insurance for my car. Let's do a quick recall check. What is the gender of
Versicherung.
It's feminine.
correct? How do you say I have insurance?
Ich habe eine Versicherung.
Right. What's the past tense of that?
Ich hatte eine Versicherung.
Great job. What is the meaning of
Haftpflichtversicherung.
That's liability insurance.
perfect? Lastly, what's the prefix in
Versicherung.
It's
Where?
Excellent work today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Versicherung.
means insurance, and it's important to understand its usage in different contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident with this word now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve.